Okay, we are going to talk about adding integers. So you need to write this down. So if you need to hit pause and write that down. That's our learning target, adding integers. Should have an S, integers. Okay, so we're going to start with just some basic numbers, like 2 plus 7. What is 2 plus 7? It's 9. Those are integers. That's the easiest one to add. But what we're going to do today is we're going to make this negative 2 plus negative 7, which gives you a negative 9, and I'm going to show you why that works. When you have two negatives, you can just add them together. I like to sometimes just draw little negative signs. So this one would have 2, and this one would have 7. And if you count them up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 negative. If I have negative 3 plus negative 2, that gives me negative 5. If I have negative 1 plus negative 10, we'll say. Negative 1 plus negative 10 gives me negative 11. Negative 100 plus negative 100 gives me negative 200. So adding integers when they're both negative, so this is when they're both negative, is very, very easy. They're both negative, you just add and add the negative. So negative 5 plus negative 3. 5 plus 3 is 8, so it's negative 8. Negative 4 plus negative 6. 4 plus 6 is 10, so negative 10. Negative 20 plus negative 10. 20 plus 10 is 30, so negative 30. This is if they're both negative. Both numbers are negative. See, both numbers are negative. When both numbers are negative, it's very, very easy. All right. Now what we're going to do is we're going to try if both numbers are not negative. We're going to make them one negative and one positive. It's a little bit different. So now we're going to go and we're going to write one positive and one negative. Whoops, I'm going to put that in the way there. This way is a little bit harder, but we can still do it. If you have 5 plus negative 3. So you have 5 pluses, 5 positives, and 3 negatives. Now here's the cool thing. These pluses and negatives cancel each other. So this one, and this one, and this one, they go away. And what do you have left? You have 2 positive, so 2. If you look at this, 5 minus 3 is 2. So if you have 6 plus negative 4, you would have 6 positive, 4 negatives, and if you do this and you cancel the ones that you can, what you have left is 2 positive. If you had 4 plus negative 1, what would that one be? It would be 3. The rule is that you have to, if you have one positive and one negative, you actually do subtraction. You subtract, or minus, whatever word you want to use. 5 minus 3 is 2. 6 minus 4, 2. 4 minus 1 is 3. Now, they do get a little bit different sometimes. I'm going to change this problem here. I had 4 plus negative 1 equals 3. What if I make it negative 4 plus 1? That's a little bit different. Now I have 4 negatives and 1 positive. So only 1 cancels. I get 3, but I need to make it 3 negative. The reason that it's negative is because 4, this number 4 was bigger, and 4 had the minus sign, so 3 has to have the minus sign. So you have to see, negative 4 is bigger, so my answer is going to be negative 3. So if I have negative 5 plus 3, negative 5 plus 3, I'm going to subtract. I'm going to think 5 minus 3, that's 2, but 5 is bigger, and 5 has the minus, so I have to put minus 2. What if we did these two? Let's look at these two problems. 10 plus negative 4, and then negative 10 plus 4. Okay, so 10 plus negative 4. 1 is positive, 1 is negative, so we subtract. 10 minus 4. What's 10 minus 4? 6. Yep, 6. 10 is bigger, 10 is positive, so my answer is positive 6. On this problem, negative 10 plus 4, I still do 10 minus 4. 10 minus 4 is 6, but the 10 is bigger, and the 10 has this minus sign right here. So that means my answer is negative 6, or minus 6. Okay, so that's our first day of looking at adding integers. We're going to do this for a couple days. You're going to try some practice problems now. Okay, that's it.